All right, YouTube, what is up? So, August 15th, we are in Las Vegas. Just got done with Tech and Contingency, doing Vegas to Reno, 505 miles. I am driving. I'm driving the Ram Racing Can-Am. I'll be driving the last portion of the race. We're here. There she is. We're here with Chris from KWI. He's here tuning everybody in. We got Evo Power Sports here. A bunch of the big guys are out here tuning, testing before the race. Just trying to get ready. It's going to be pretty badass. So we're going to do a little clutch tuning. Besides that, the car is ready to go. It's crazy, man. It is 110 degrees right now. And we're basically starting in, it's called Beatty, Nevada, at somewhere around 12 o'clock tomorrow. And it's basically Death Valley. It is going to be so freaking hot. But yeah, freaking nuts. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick update of what's going on. Let's check out what we got here. Got Carver that just loaded up RZR. I think he put in a new motor this time. It's sounding pretty good. Lots of nice rigs. Got Evo here tuning. Well, that'll be one of the guys racing with us for sure. But yeah, it's gonna be sick, but it's gonna be so freaking hot. Everybody's doing IVs in their hotel room before the race because it's gonna be so crazy tomorrow. But I'll put a link in the description with our racing tracks stuff. We're T984. So if you guys want to track us, like I said, there'll be a link in the description. Should be a fun race. I don't think I'm going to be getting in the car till around 8 to 10. It just kind of depends on how our day goes. You know, when you're doing a 500-mile race, there's so many things that that come into play. Check out the new dash. Pretty sick. We got an AIM with all of our gauges and then the stock cluster. And then we got our GPS and stuff over here, but kind of redesigned. This car's had a lot of work done to it over the last 6 months. So it's gonna be pretty sick. Pretty stoked. Freaking hot. So yeah, wish us luck. I'm gonna get a bunch of cameras on everything and hopefully capture a lot of this race. It's gonna be dope. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Be sure to track us online. All right. Peace.